Today, we're launching Invicta, ang cyber workbench ng Human Managed. Usually, sama-sama ang cybersecurity products based on categories. May isang tool for assets, may isang tool for vulnerabilities, isang tool for compliance, threats, and iba pa for incidents. Kada isa, they solve a problem. Pero security teams, they don't operate in parts. They operate in outcomes. Pag merong importante, di naman tinatanong kung saan galing console. Ang kailangan nilang malaman, ano ang nangyayari, sino ang apektado, and ano ang kailangan gawin na susunod. Kaya namin ginawa ang Invicta. Dito, we combine posture, asset intelligence, vulnerability operations, threat intelligence, incident response, and more. It's one workbench na aligned sa day-to-day decisions ng mga operations teams nyo. Front and center dito ang cyber story. Dito nyo makikita kung ano ang security status ng inyong organizations and how your team is operating. Susunod na dyan yung investigations, then actions, na malinaw ang context as you go along. Simula pa lang ang launch na ito. In the coming weeks, we'll show the different modules na bumubuo ng cyber workbench and how they work together. Dahil hindi na lang data problem ang cybersecurity ngayon, operational intelligence problem na siya.